Hi, I'm Terry. I'm an intuitive designer, a house healer, and a holistic interior designer. So with house healing, people always ask me, how do you do it? You say use a pendulum. How do you do that? Who are you talking to? What's going on? Who's giving you these answers? That sounds really weird. How can you figure out people's homes when you're not even there? Well, this is how I do it. So today I'm going to look for detrimental earth energy and detrimental underground water. I only look for things that are detrimental, that are going to cause harm. So those are just two of the basic earth energy type things that I do look for. There's many other things. They do get a little bit more woo-woo as you go along, but this is what I'm going to do today, just to show you how I work with a floor plan. So basically, people give me a floor plan as close to scale as possible, but if not, that's fine. I just need something to work with. Quite often people come to me when they have trouble sleeping, if they have a change in mood, if something just doesn't feel right. So those are the kind of things I work on, but quite often a lot of it is sleep related. So this client today, I'm going to get started. I am doing a full report, but I'm just going to do the first couple things to show you how that works. So what I use is a floor plan, as I said, a ruler. I have my pendulum, and then just markers in various colors. So today it's blue for water and green for earth. And then I just take notes and I do up a report. So if you wanted to try this on your own, a couple things you have to do. One is you need to do a protection, which I've already done, and I have a separate video about that, so go and check that out. You need a pendulum. You don't need to buy one. You can if you'd like, but as I do, I used to use a necklace. So you can use a necklace with a stone on the end. You can just use a string with any sort of weighted element on the end, just something that's going to give you movement. That's basically what a pendulum is. And yeah, so you're going to need that. Is there anything else you really... Oh, you should, if once you get your pendulum, definitely clear it. So I'll do a separate video on that, just to make sure it's clear of any energies that have attached to it. It's ideal to consistently do that as you go along, and just to make sure it's clear. So once you have all those elements in place, you can get started. So you do need to get into a meditative state, a state that is easier as you go along, to be able to just ask the questions and get the answers. So yes, the answers are coming subconsciously to me, and people say with a pendulum, yeah, you're moving it. Well, yeah, my body is, but it's I'm getting the answers subconsciously, and then my body is reacting. Consciously, I don't have any part of it, because the other thing too, sometimes the answers just really surprise me and are unexpected. So that's just not me doing it. Yeah, so that is a meditative state. And it's great if you want to get into doing this, to just consistently do a meditation every day, which is great. Sometimes I'm good with it and sometimes I'm not, but you should do it every day. I am getting better. Okay, so what I am going to do is, before I enter this home, I have to ask the guardian of the home if I can enter. There have been times that I have been told no, and then I've had to wait and been able to get in later. So, I mean, I don't know why, but sometimes it's just not the right time for me to be there. So, the first thing that you should do, and I don't do it enough really, is ask what your yes and no is. You have to definitely do that in the beginning, but sometimes it does change. Mine has always been the same, but I'm going to say today, what is my yes? So that's always been my yes. What is my no? So those have always been consistent for me. So, guardian of the home, am I able to enter? So yes. Okay, so we can enter the home. So that's good, because yeah, as I've said, sometimes I get a no and I have to wait. So, guardian of the home, is there any detrimental earth energy lines? Are there any? Yes. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. There's 3. Okay. There's 3. And is there any detrimental underground water? Yes. How many lines are there of those? 1, 2. Are there 2? Yes. Okay. Okay, so now we know how many lines we're looking for. There are many, many, many things that I look for. I do sometimes do a mini report, which is about 4 different things, but right now we're just going to do 2 and just show you how that works. Okay, please show me where the first point is for underground water. Okay, so then I just take my blue marker, because it's water, and go like that. Please show me where the second point is for this line. Okay, is this a line? Yes. Okay, and then we're going to draw the line through. And I just, usually when someone is doing a floor plan, for me, I ask for as little information as possible. This just tells some basic what the rooms are, but I don't want to know where beds are or any of that. The less information, the better. I just thought I'd mention that. So I'm not going to do the other line of that. I'm going to just go to the earth energy so you can see what that is. Basically the same thing, but we'll do that. Please show me where the first point is for detrimental earth energy. Okay. Please show me where the second point is. Second point, yes, okay. And then you're just going to, again, do the same thing and continue along. So that gives you an idea how it works. It is simple. You just have to clear your mind and just let what comes in come in. So I hope that that was helpful. I hope that that was educational and kind of cool. So I'm Terry. Thanks for checking out my video. I hope to see you again soon. And then check out some of my other videos for more information about dowsing, house healing, holistic interior design, intuitive design, so many things. I'll see you soon.